rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. 3 little birds by my doorstep, singing sweet songs, a melody's pure and true, saying, this is my message to you. And you're singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Baby, don't worry about a thing, because every little thing is gonna be alright. It's gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Ooh, it's gonna be alright. Oh, darling, ooh, it's gonna be alright.
Journey! Simon! Talk to him, Simon. God-given talent.
Oh, I can't hear myself. Well, we had such a funny conversation last week, and we were talking. I said, what are you going to do? And he said, well, I think it's going to be my own concert. I said, are you going to tell me what song you're going to sing? He went, no. I said, are you going to do your own version? Yes. And it was all so low-key. And this was how he just said to me, and he's right, that's a moment. It really is. And there's something about you. You know, you're such a sweet kid with such potential, and I really, really, really hope that the audience get behind you tonight, because you really deserve this.
Thank you so
I really
much.
like you.
Heidi!
I have to applaud you because it's quite gutsy to take this very, very famous
Yeah.
Bob Marley song. It's very gutsy, so good on you for doing that. You sounded beautiful.
Sophia!
I have to say, Journey, I think you're the best thing tonight.
Wow.
That was flawless. There's something about you. You look like this was your concert. You are, and there's something. Are you so calm tonight?
Thank you.
Amazing. You're gonna do amazing tonight.
Howie!
Yeah, you know, you sung Every Little Thing Is Gonna Be All Right. You are the one thing. You are all right, and America's gotta push you through. You are a superstar. You're the most exciting thing to happen tonight. I agree with you. Wow.
Journey, that was beautiful. How did it feel to see all these people up on their feet for you?
It was so amazing. Thank you so much for being here.